Welcome, CNG 132. Now that we kind of hope everyone's read the chapter by Friday, I wanted to show you guys this phishing email that was sent to me 7/23/18, so almost a month ago. And like I said, it's always a ongoing issue with spam and phishing and vishing. What else? Farming. It's just a very successful tactic. As we see here, I got a matter of urgency. You know, to even make this more alertish, they could have put the apostrophe, say urgent, to make this email urgent, but they didn't. It came from a user, Alex Gallegos. So I assume, looking at this, it almost looks like there's a real email, you know, a Galeos 001 at regis.edu. Can you think of what virus probably was responsible for this email? It's probably a specific virus. Most of you get it right. I'll put in an extra credit discussion up there so you guys can get your guesses in. Really, your mailbox exceeds a storage limit. I know I don't have a storage limit on here. With Regis University, I know they just keep everything for as long as they can. I don't know the true policy, but I definitely know it's a long time. If I were to click here to validate the account, kind of hovering over, I should get an idea of where it's taking me. I don't see anything popping up. But is Alex M. Gallegos Pro system administrator team? Is he really one? I don't think so. I think it's just a phishing email by me looking at it. That's why I never looked at it, and that's why I searched by limit up here in the top, because I kind of knew it was fake. If anything was to come at this from Regis, I know it'd be not necessarily this, but it'd have usually a Regis picture down here, and then some sort of first name, last name, full Regis email, fax number, phone number, and then at the very bottom on everything, I know they include the student resource number on every single email that they send out. So if I have any questions, I simply call the student email to verify this. So looking at this, pretty fake to me, but other people might not so fake. And once again, for the extra credit, make sure to look and see why maybe Alex here is sending out, or give your guesses on why Alex's account is sending out emails in this nature. Have a good weekend. Make sure to remember that Monday is a holiday. Tuesday I'll be in an all-campus meeting, so I might not answer as quick as I usually do, but I'll definitely get a video up for Monday. I'll try it for Monday next week, Monday morning, mid-morning next week.